What were you doing at 15? Probably navigating high school, right? Well, a 15-year-old in Belgium just earned his PhD in quantum physics. And his next goal is even more mind-blowing: unlocking human immortality. Meet Laurent Simons, one of the youngest PhD holders ever. He just successfully defended his doctoral thesis at the University of Antwerp. For those curious, his dissertation was on Bose-Polarons in superfluids and supersolids. In simple terms, he was studying an ultra-cold gas where particles act as a single quantum object, a state of matter known as a Bose-Einstein condensate. This field is at the absolute cutting edge of physics, exploring exotic phases of matter that combine fluid-like flow with crystal-like order. This isn't Laurent's first time making headlines. The kid is a certified genius. Born in Belgium and now living in the Netherlands, he was always ahead of the curve. He finished high school in about a year, graduating at just 8 years old. Imagine that. At an age when most of us were learning multiplication tables, he was done with high school. In 2019, he was on track to become the youngest university graduate ever. Before he even turned 10, he was studying electrical engineering, but left the university due to a disagreement about his graduation schedule. But that didn't slow him down. He simply switched to a physics program at the University of Antwerp and earned his bachelor's degree with distinction in just 18 months, instead of the usual 3 years. By the time he was 12, while his peers were in middle school, Laurent had already completed his master's degree, also in quantum physics. A typical master's program takes 2 years, but Laurent finished all his courses in the first semester and spent the second on his thesis and an internship. This wasn't just any internship either. He worked at the prestigious Max Planck Institute in Germany, where he started exploring how physics and medicine could intersect. His master's research even touched on the fascinating analogy between certain quantum states and black holes. Even after all that, Laurent felt he hadn't reached his limits. After getting his master's, he went straight for his PhD. He recently told a TV channel, "After this, I'll start working towards my goal, creating superhumans." This isn't a new ambition. Since he was 11, he's openly stated that his end goal is studying and achieving human immortality. With a tested IQ of 145, Laurent is officially classified as highly gifted. So, what's next for a 15-year-old with a doctorate in quantum physics? He's not taking a break. Right after defending his thesis, he went back to Munich, Germany, with his father. He has already enrolled in his second doctoral program, this time in medical science, with a specialization in artificial intelligence. He's moving from the fundamental laws of the universe to the complex machinery of the human body, hoping to use his extraordinary intellect to extend life and perhaps, one day, defeat death itself. It's a goal straight out of science fiction, but with a mind like Laurent's, who knows what's possible? We'll definitely be watching his journey. What do you think about Laurent's ambition? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories about the amazing people shaping our future.